Hi everyone! Would you like to know how to bake the most delicious gingerbread? Then come and join me in my kitchen, so watch the video until the end.
First we add whole eggs into a big bowl, then separately some egg yolks as well. Add sugar, melted butter and melted fat, and then the spices, first some cinnamon and some gingerbread spice mixture. Plus, to make it a little bit brown, we add some cocoa powder, and then we heat some honey with baking soda, and when it starts to boil, we add these to the wet ingredients as well. Mix it together and add some sour cream, then we gradually add all the flour into the mixture until it becomes a solid dough. We roll it out until it becomes 1 or 1.5 centimeters. Then we cut the cookies into different shapes. We put the cookies into trays filled with baking paper, and we also spread some egg whites on the top of it. You can also add some candied fruits on top and then put them into the oven for 10 or 15 minutes at medium heat. And here's how you need to do the icing. Whisk the egg whites until they almost become solid. The powdered sugar into a different pot and add some starch into it so that the icing becomes hard. As the final touch, add some lemon juice into the icing so that it becomes shiny. Pour the icing into a piping bag and decorate your cookies. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe for more videos like these.